Be, go for the Xiaomi Pad 6. Super worth it. Back to school season na naman, and there has been questions circulating on what is worth to buy for school. iPad o Xiaomi Pad 6? I'm telling you, be, Xiaomi Pad 6, super worth it.
So guys, eto na nga yung pinaka-latest na tablet ni Xiaomi, ang Xiaomi Pad 6. Meron itong processor na Snapdragon 860 na sobrang solid for gaming and for editing. Sa camera niya naman, meron siyang 13 megapixel na sobrang linaw pagdating sa pagse-selfie. Goods na goods din to sa mga nag-aaral o mga nagtatrabaho dahil may kasama siyang magnetic keyboard. Hindi lang yan dahil itong Xiaomi Pad 6 ay sobrang solid pagdating sa gaming, lalo-lalo na sa Mobile Legends, Call of Duty, Roblox or Genshin Impact. Kaya kung gagamitin mo siya pang trabaho, pang school, pang work, eto na yon.
Kaya be, I think go ka na siya Xiaomi Pad 6. Super worth it niyan. Gusto mo ba ng discount? Join ka lang sa TechBuddies Facebook community. It's an excellent community resources for tips, hacks, and advice on electronic gadgets. Also, you will be updated on the latest tech deals and promo, including like the monthly spreadsheet with offers like the latest 50% off promo.